Welcome to the mathematics class. So here we continue the chapter construction. In that exercise 11.2, let us see next question, fifth one. So draw a line segment AB of length 8 cm. Taking A as a center, draw a circle of radius 4 cm. And taking B as a center, draw another circle of radius 3 cm. Construct tangents to each circle from the center of the circle. Let us see here now. Okay. Steps of construction. First step is draw a line segment AB of length 8 cm. Draw a line segment AB of length 8 cm. And next, second step is taking A as a center, A as a center and a radius 4 cm, draw a circle. And taking B as a center and radius 3 cm, draw another circle. Let us see. First of all, draw a line segment AB of 8 cm. So this is a line segment AB of 8 cm. So now, using A as a center and radius 4 cm, draw a circle. So take 4 cm radius. So using A as a center, draw the circle. And similarly, using B as a center and radius 3 cm, draw a circle. Another circle. So, using B as a center and radius 3 cm, draw another circle. So, draw the another circle. So, these two are the circles now. So, next, what we need to do? So, now, they said construct tangents to each circle from the center of the circle. That means you need to construct what? Tangents to this circle from the center of this circle and tangents to this circle from the center of this circle. That means find the perpendicular bisector of AB and draw the circle where that circle will intersect the two circles. Draw the tangents. You will get the answer. So now next step is what? Third step. Draw the perpendicular bisector of AB. Why? We should need to find the perpendicular bisector of AB only. This is like now center of the circle and this is like the external point, because from the point B only we need to draw the tangents. That means this will become total line segment, means you need to find the perpendicular bisector of AB. So find the perpendicular bisector of AB, take more than half of this line segment, draw the arcs at the upside and the downside. So where those two will intersect, so through those intersection draw the line. And take this point of intersection as point C, because already A and B is there. So take any other point C. So next, what we need to do? So next, by using compass with C as a center and AC or BC as a radius, draw the circle to intersect the given circles at the points. So now write that step 4. Now taking C as a center, C as a center and AC as a radius, draw a circle to intersect the given circles at P, Q, R and S. So now C as a center and AC as a radius, draw the circle to intersect given circles at the points P, Q and next R and S. So these are the 4 points of intersection. Now join what? PB, PQ. So these are the two tangents from the center of the smaller circle to the bigger circle. And next join what? AR and AS. So these are the two tangents from the center of the bigger circle to the smaller circle. So fifth step is what? Join PB or BP, BQ and next AR and AS. So these are the required tangents. So these are the required tangents. And justification is same as like previous problems. So you can do that. So just join AP, AQ. So by the odd angle in a semicircle, these as you will get 90 degree, so you will get perpendicular, that means tangent. So you can join RB and RS. So those also you will get here perpendiculars. So both will become tangents. So as like previous, you can do that justification. And this is about what the construction of bit main question. We'll see the next question. Okay, dear students, let us see next question. Sixth one. Let ABC be a right triangle in which AB equals to 6 cm, BC equals to 8 cm, and angle B is equals to 90 degree. So BD is the perpendicular from B on AC. BD is the perpendicular from B on AC. The circle through BCD is drawn. So construct the tangents from point A to the circle. So here first of all, you need to construct a right triangle ABC. So first step is draw a right triangle ABC with AB equals to 6 cm, BC equals to 8 cm, and angle B is equals to 90 degree. So draw a triangle ABC, right triangle ABC. Okay, this is what line segment BC. How much is it? 8 cm. And next angle B is how much is it? 90 degree. So construct 90 degree now. Means at the point B. So what? Draw an arc with the same radius. Using this as a center and this as a center, draw the two arcs, and using these as a center, draw these two arcs again. So now where you get the intersection, so through that draw the So this is what? 90 degree. So next one. So this AB length should be how much? That is 6 centimeter. So draw this of length 6 centimeter. And join AC. We will get triangle ABC. So this is what triangle, right triangle ABC. And next step is, so draw perpendicular BD to AC from B. Draw perpendicular BD to AC from B. So from point B, draw a perpendicular. Means this angle should be 90 degree. like that, you need to draw a perpendicular. This angle should be 90 degree. So next, the circle through BCD is drawn. That means, so take midpoint of BC as a center. So midpoint of BC means 4 centimeter. So total 8 centimeter is there. Then 4 centimeter. This will become midpoint. So let us take this one as E and this is D. BD is a perpendicular and this is midpoint of E. Now by taking midpoint BC or midpoint E of BC as a center and radius 4 centimeter, draw the circle. It will passes through the BCD. Let us see. Alright, let's close step. Now taking midpoint E of BC as a center and radius 4 centimeter, draw a circle through BCD. So if you draw a circle, that will pass through these 3 points BC. Let us see. So here it is. E is a center and B or EC means 4 centimeter is a radius. So you can draw them correctly. This circle will pass through these 3 points. So B, C, D. So now what we need to do? So here it is. Construct the tangents from point A to the circle. That means A is the external point and here E is the center. That means first join OE and find the or draw the perpendicular bisector of A to intersect the given circle. So where it will intersect each or intersect the given circle to that point, draw the tangents. Already one tangent is there now from the point A at the point B. It is already one tangent. So you just need to draw one more tangent. So next step, fourth one is join A because we need to draw tangents from A. So this is the center of the circle and this is an external point. So you need to join external point at the center. So join AE and draw the perpendicular bisector of A. So join A and find the or draw the perpendicular bisector of A. So take more than half of this line segment. Draw the line segment or the arcs. So draw the arcs at the upside and the downside. And where those two arcs will intersect each other, through that draw the line segment. And take this point as F. This is the word point of intersection of line A and perpendicular bisector. So take this point as F. Now same as usual, by taking F as a center and AF as a radius, draw the another circle to intersect the given circle. And fifth step is now taking F as a center and AF as a radius, draw another circle to intersect the given circle. To intersect the given circle. So F as a center and AF as a radius, draw the circle. So to intersect the given circle, already it has intersected at the given circle at the point B, and one more point is here now. Let us take that one as point P and join AP. Join AP. So here the required tangents are AB and the AP. So sixth step is join to intersect the given circle at B and P. You can take at the points B and P. Join AP. So the required tangents are AB and AP. AB and AP. These are the two required tangents. So this is about the construction of sixth question. So now take seventh question as your homework. So what is that? Draw a circle with help of bangle. Take a point outside the circle. So with bangle means just draw a circle with bangle. You need to find the center of this circle first. How you will find? So take 3 points on this circle and join these. Or you can take 2 chords. So take 3 points, join these. Now find the perpendicular bisectors of AB and BC. So where the perpendicular bisector will intersect, that will be the center of the circle. And again what they said, take a point outside the circle. So take any point outside the circle and join external point on the center. Next as usual. So find the perpendicular bisector of this line segment, draw another circle to intersect the given circle, so you will get the tangents. So take that one as your homework. So by this the exercise 11.2 is completed. Also the chapter construction is completed. So we'll start the new chapter in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye. Thank you.